Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, thermal module, and DC-in module. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the power button board. Remove the 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power button board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.